Okay, guys. I hope you like this video, but I caught this guy. It's a giant firefly.
Well, it's a cicada.
Yep.
You want to show your viewers?
It looks alike.
What's his name?
His name is, I don't remember.
Steve.
Yeah, Steve.
Didn't you write it on the jar there?
Mhm.
Show us his name. Oh, wiped off a little bit. Don't open it. How'd you catch it?
We just let him in the jar and put the cap on.
Okay.
We put holes so he could breathe.
Yeah.
Why did you do that, boy? He just does that all the time.
And we're gonna let him go later, right?
Yep.
You just-
Okay. Bye. Thumbs up and subscribe.